This is the Red Dead Redemption 2 bomb shot. We call it Going Dutch, okay? I love this game. This is a really, really fun game, and it's everywhere, so we had to create a shot based on this. This is not sponsored, we're just having fun. Okay, so this is a bomb-style shot. So the two ingredients in the first shot we're doing here is a fireball for the gunfire and strawberry liqueur, strawberry pucker for blood, okay? There's a lot of shooting in this game, all right? So that's our first shot. Next up, the first horse you get in this game is a Tennessee Walker horse. So we use Tennessee whiskey, Jack Daniels, okay? And then we get Johnny Walker. You see the Tennessee, the Walker coming together, beautiful. So that's our Tennessee Walker. Next up, we have a lot of Irish characters in this game. They're fun, you know, Sean Maguire, Molly O'Shea, who was Dutch's girl. Then each character, your character and your horse needs energy in order to operate. So we come in with an energy drink. Now, black is a theme in this, because remember now, you got black lung disease, you have characters who are very dark, you know, have black hearts, okay? So, and there you have it, all right? The Red Dead Redemption 2 shot called Going Dutch.